Hey everyone. Hey everyone, how are you? This is me, Ebony. Today is Thursday, January 10, 2013. There is no secret I've been promoting email processing for Cash Horror. I was intrigued by the program because it says you get paid $25 for each email you process. It says your profits are guaranteed and you don't need any experience. But I guess there are these flaws like all these other marketing things online. And I guess it was a scam, so I guess I was wrong. But it can't be a scam because look, I'm still getting these $25 payments every single day. The 9th, the 8th, the 7th, the 6th, the 5th. Look at all these $25 payments. So I want you to explain to me again how it's a scam. Yeah, I know people are going to ask me, well, why did you turn around and say that it's a scam when it's not? Because I knew there would be closed-minded people that think everything is a scam. I'm giving you the opportunity to make more money at home. You see, this is my PayPal account, so I have nothing to hide. Google me Google me. Everything matches up. My email matches up. My Facebook matches up. My Twitter matches up. This matches up. I mean, I don't understand how people can still say that this program is a scam. It's like sometimes with some people, you can show them all the proof in the world and they still yell scam. But guess what? You're the one that's preventing yourself from making money if you're not in this program. Not me, because I'm showing you how I'm making money every single day. Just sitting on my butt, promoting this email processing program, copying and pasting ads, placing them where this company wants me to place them, and I'm getting paid. So explain to me again how this is a scam. Okay, I've had people say, well, why am I paying for a job? You're not paying for a job. This is a business opportunity. You got to pay for Avon. You have to pay for Mary Kay to be an independent contractor. Okay? When you are doing a background check for a job, a lot of times you got to pay for it. So how is this any different? Oh, I know. The fact that you could be at home and sitting there making money instead of being a 9-to-5 slave, and then they're taking all your pay and you're still broke. But with this program, it allows you to make as much money as you want, whenever you want. You don't need to worry about wasting gas, no daycare bills, no nothing. So, I mean, look at the economy, for example. You see how bad the economy is? You really think that the economy is going to get better and jobs are going to pick back up? If you don't have a job now, you need to make this your job. And I promise you, you will make money. I was like that. Laid off on my job, had to find a way to feed me and my kids. I had to find a way to pay my gas, electric, water. This program allows me to do it. You see all those PayPal payments I've been getting? And you don't need any experience. You don't need to have user marketing experience. I'm an average person that's doing it. And I just found out that I'm one of the top earners in this program. So joining me, you're definitely in good hands. I'm all about helping people. I'm all about training people. If you seriously want to make money and be successful like me, I will take you under my wing and I will show you the way. I promise you that. Not one person that signed up under me will say that I didn't lead them in the right direction. Look at this here. See, the point is, the more emails you process, the more you make. Just even if you do just 2 emails a day, that's $350 a week. You can't go wrong with that. You can't. It's more than you do at McDonald's. You get step-by-step instruction. You see how in red is highlighted step-by-step? Literally, following instructions is important because this is what's going to make you or break you. Alright? All you do is post pre-written ads in the cities that they found the most success in and you will make money. Alright? There are many pre-written ads that we have, but you can post 3 on Craigslist at least. They show you how and where. You can post anytime, but post some at least between this time because this is the money-making time for Craigslist. And just watch your money grow in your PayPal account. It's that simple. You're getting the ads. You're getting the cities to post. You're getting step-by-step instructions. So really, what program do you know that's inexpensive, no chargebacks, 100% guaranteed profit? They allow you to keep your money and they give you the instructions to make money. If you follow those instructions and follow my training, I guarantee you by this week you'll be making at least $400. Trust me on that. So, you're going to start making money today. I can get you started. It's just a one-time fee of $25. No recurring bills. It's that simple. Hit the buy now button and join my team. Take care.